Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take partial profits on cTrader in 2026. Now, in order to do so, first of all, you need to come here on cTrader.com, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you log in into your account, as you can see, I've currently logged in into my Pepperstone demo account. The interface of cTrader is going to look something like this. Now, over here, what you need to do is in the right hand section, you are going to see your positions available over here. So in your positions, what you need to do is you need to simply select the partial profit option, and then you just have to simply enter the amount. So here after take profit account, you just have to enter the amount at which you want to close partially. So here if you have selected one lot, you just have to enter the profit of only half lot, and then you just have to enter the take profit and click on the option of place order. So this way you will be able to take the partial profits when the price of your currency reaches to that level. So that's how you can do it.